Hello and welcome to Dotnet with Sikhen, and our today's topic is object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming. What is object-oriented programming? Object-oriented programming in C# is a programming paradigm based on classes and objects organized around four core pillars. So what are those core four pillars? First one is the encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstractions. We will be learning all these concepts in our upcoming videos, but today we need to focus more about the classes and objects. Class. So what is a class? A class is a blueprint or template that defines the structure, that is the data, and behavior, that is the method, for creating objects. So here you can see I have created one car class, basically a car class blueprint, and the blueprint basically here you can see we have used this keyword class and then the class name, that is the car, and it has the opening and closing curly brackets, right? So inside that we have to write the data and behaviors. So basically when we say data, it means the fields or properties of the class, and when we say behavior, that are basically the methods. Yeah, and let's talk about the object. So object, what is an object? An object is an instance of a class, a real world entity, live thing created from that blueprint. So it could be anything such as tangible thing like person, car, etc., or intangible such as order, bank, etc. When we say tangible, it means you can touch it, the physical things, basically the physical things that you can touch it, and for intangible, that you cannot touch it. For example, when you imagine something, or let's say order, when you place the order, or bank account, these are all intangible things. So object could be anything around you. If you see it, if you think on that, or if you even feel it, that could be an object then. So here I have created two car class objects. One is the Toyota and another is the BMW. Okay, so there are two objects you can see here. And how can we access the member of the class? So here first let's see how to create an object. So you need to provide the car, that is the class name, and then the reference variable is equal to new, and then car, and then parenthesis, and then semicolon, right? So basically this new car is an object, right? And this reference variable Toyota is pointing to this object. So the help of this reference variable, you can access the member of this car class. And how can you access it? Using the dot operator. Here you can see. So Toyota dot color is equal to red, Toyota dot model is equal to Camry, Toyota dot year is equal to 2023, right? So these are all data of the, or you can say the data member of the class, and you can access these data members by the help of reference variable using dot operator, right? And here these are the methods, right? So behavior you can say, so Toyota dot display info, and then Toyota dot start engine. So this is for the Toyota, but similar object we have created for BMW also, right? So you can create as many as objects of the car class, right? And you can set these properties, and also you can call these behaviors. So this is all about the object. Okay, let's quickly go into the Visual Studio and look at how it works in action. So same blueprint, the car class I have created here. Okay, and then here you can see class car, and then we have the fields here or properties, and then we have the behaviors, right? And in the main method I have created two objects. One is for the Toyota and another is for the BMW, right? So let's run it and see the result. Okay, now here you can see for Toyota the print I have printed like car, red Camry 2023, that is the model, and then red Camry engine started, right? So basically this is the second method we have called it. And for BMW also we have called both the methods, like display info and then start engine, right? So in this way yes, that's it for today, and I will see you in the next upcoming videos.